दुश्मन के चले।
The future depends on what you do today. Assalamu alaikum and a very happy, scintillating, blissful good day to everyone. On the occasion of 2nd October, we would like to wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji's entire life is a living example in front of us to learn and absorb many things from his own personality and from his philosophies of life. And that's the reason he himself said, "My life is my message." Gandhiji was a priest of truth and non-violence. His incredible efforts transformed the dream of freedom of Indians into reality. He spent his entire life on the basis of simple living and high thinking. Our younger generation should realize and understand as how to best transform their own life on Gandhiji's ideologies and philosophies of life. When we are learning and understanding the great personas of history, we are actually reshaping our lives. Who can forget the great saying of Mahatma Gandhi when he himself exclaimed, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of humanity." Once again, a very happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, and stay inspired. Thank you.
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी चलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल।
I am Ananya Vanna. Before we begin with our celebrations, I request my friend Muhammad to recite a surah from Reverend Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب فإلى ربك فارغب. صدق الله العظيم.
Hello everyone, my name is Nadia Abbas. Raise your right hand. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates and all elders. I treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Hello everybody, my name is Zunaira Fatima and I am from class 1G. A very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Now I will sing our school song. लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना, मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी। लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा लगी हो मेरी परवाने की सूरत या रब, इल्म की शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब, हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना, दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना। मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको, नेक जो राह हो उस राह पर चलाना मुझको। लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Zanera. As we all know that Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday in India celebrated on 2nd October. This day is celebrated in the honor of the birthday of the father of nation, Mohandas Karmchand Gandhi, commonly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji. Then this day is celebrated with pure love and loyalty towards our beloved Gandhiji. Moving ahead, I would like to call upon Rida Sajid to present the thought for the day in English.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Rida Sadi. I study in first D. Today's thought of the day is strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Now I repeat again. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Dasaji, another song will be brought to us all. Pararipa Rahman.
Hello everyone. Thought of the day. व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निमित्त एक प्राणी है। वह जो सोता है वही पा जाता है। I repeat. व्यक्ति अपने विचार से निमित्त एक प्राणी है। वह जो सोता है वही पा जाता है। Thank you.
Diya KM will speak a few lines on this auspicious day.
Dear friend, I'm Diya. Now I'm going to speak about Mahatma Gandhi and his mother Putlibai. Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of our nation. Sometimes we call him Bapuji. He was a lawyer by profession. He done his higher studies in England. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Karamchand Gandhi was his father and Putlibai Gandhi was his mother. She played a great role in developing moral character in Gandhi as his father died young. She helps him to select the way of nonviolence in his life. He used nonviolence as a tool for freedom fight. This year, we celebrate 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Today, on his birthday, let us remember him and use this occasion to salute him. His life is an inspiration to all of us. We can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace, and nonviolence. At last but not least, I wish a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Very, very well spoken. Now let me invite Rafi or Jamil for another speech.
आदरणीय अध्यापिकागण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा सुप्रभात। जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि आज गांधी जयंती का शुभ अवसर है। आज हमारे बापू का जन्मदिन है। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर को हुआ था। उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी है। उन्होंने अंग्रेजों के साथ संघर्ष करके भारत को आजादी दिलाई। इसी खास अवसर पर मैं आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। 2 अक्टूबर खास बहुत है, इसमें है क्या छुपा। इस दिन गांधी जी में से दिया उन्होंने ज्ञान नया। सत्य अहिंसा को अपना लो, इससे होता सदा भला। इसके दम पर गांधी जी ने अंग्रेजों की फौज भगाई। नहीं भुला सकते इस दिन को, ये दिन है बहुत महान। इसमें भारत का गौरव है, इसमें तिरंगे की है शान। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
My name is Rishan Ahmad. I will sing Gandhi Jayanti song. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, father of nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, father of nation. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He was a wonderful teacher. He is a role model. He was a wonderful teacher. He is a role model. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, father of nation. Gandhi Ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu Ji, I love you, Bapu. Thank you.
With due respect, I would like to request you all, please stand up now. Kanita Jirwa will sing the national anthem of Saudi Arabia.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanita Zerwa. In October 2nd, we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. I am going to sing Saudi National Anthem. Sarai il Majd al Aliya Majdi Halik Sama وارفع فوق يكبر يحمل المسكتة رددي الله أكبر يا موطني قد اشتفهر المسلمي عاش الملك للألم والوطن. Thank you.
Song Kanita Zirwa. Coming towards the end of the program, I would like to thank our respected teachers, especially Rajita ma'am, for the available guidance, not to mention the hard work of parents, without whom this will never have been possible. I extend my gratitude to my co-host Ananya Verma for the excellent companionship.
Thank you, Fatima Sala. Now I request each one of you stand up for the Indian national Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. On this great day, I wish you all a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October in all over India. It is the birth anniversary of Father of the Nation. He was a great leader of India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji is also known as Bapu and Father of the Nation. Father of the Nation. Gandhiji also believed in simple living and high thinking. Gandhi Jayanti also celebrated as International Day of the Non-Violence. At this day, everyone should pledge that we will always follow Gandhiji's path of truth and non-violence. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind. Happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Hello everybody, my name is Zunaira Fatima and I am from class 1G. Today I am dressed up as Gandhiji. Gandhiji's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat, India. He was trained in law at London. He was a freedom fighter. Truth and non-violence were his principle. He is a father of our nation and is lovingly called Bapu. His birthday celebrated in India as Gandhi Jayanti and worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rida Sadir. I study in first year and I am going to speak few lines of Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, he is full name of Mahatma Gandhi. He called him Bapu. He born 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father Diwan of Rajkot. His mother Putli Bai, simple and cruel lady. Thank you. Have a nice day.